Hi, fellow travelers. This is Travel Towner, and today we are in Kansas City, Missouri at Worlds of Fun amusement park. We will be taking a POV trip on Snoopy's Rocket Express, which is a monorail in the sky. Because Worlds of Fun is also celebrating its 50th anniversary, we will get a bit of the fireworks and drone show from that evening.
Look favorable. It's time to chart a course and explore the great regions of Worlds of Fun. There's so much to see. Your sense of adventure and your heart. Together, that is Worlds of Fun.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.